Hello everyone, and I'm going to interview the greatest Christopher Palmer. And he's now in the Philippines, guys. And he's one of the speakers. So earlier, guys, his topic is all about battle-ready local SEO strategies backed by 1 year of SEO testing. There's a lot of testing. How many tests is that?
Well, I gave 15 tests, which is really mini case studies.
Can you please tell us more about you and what you do, Chris?
Well, that's actually a massive portion of what I do. That is a small sample. We have over 1,000 tests that we've done in the last 5 years.
Wow.
So I do testing. I have a consultancy. I do courses. So I do training, education, consultancy, white label services, and then done for you services monthly. If somebody has dollars for SEO, I would love to help them.
What are the key takeaways from your year of testing local SEO strategies?
Biggest, highest impact ones were the internal linking.
Channel linking.
Yep. External link flow coming in, and then category of backlink.
Oh.
So picking the categories, internally link flow, those are the most impactful.
Presenting your one-stop shop for SEO, GMB, link building, content creation, web design, and more. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Enjoy 40 to 60% off for our services. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. The best dashboard for SEOs, agencies, and freelancers.
How did you measure the effectiveness of your local SEO strategies?
Well, I set up either what I call donor Google business profiles. So they're donors. What a donor is for testing Google Maps is somebody's actual profile. So a real business out there that's not doing well, we'll run tests on it. And then we're able to get answers. As far as testing our own strategies, we buy websites to perform tests on.
What strategies work best for improving local visibility? This is for competitive industries.
For competitive, well, at the end of the day, it only comes down to three main things: technical, on page, and off. When we're talking about off page, the two things that matter are going to be external links that are category specific, traffic that's coming from category specific places. And then when we're doing on page, we know that Google can't read. I'm looking to optimize for the intent. That's the most effective. I boiled it down for you.
What's your best advice for businesses struggling in local SEO?
Stop focusing on solely SEO. SEO is one piece of local marketing. Really, the true objective for ranking for local is I need to be seen in 3 places. When I'm seen in 3 places, my KPI, or the probability of generating a click, skyrockets. So what we're trying to do is we want to have SEO, we want Google Maps, and we want ads or LSAs. That's how you generate business.
How can we contact you if we're going to avail your services?
The best place to go is I have a service menu at chrispalmer.org. If you want to learn education, you go to SEOmastermind.org. Or if you want free information, go to Chris Palmer SEO on YouTube.